Hi, my name is Peter Moorman and I'm an attorney. If you need help with a divorce and want to get it done fast at a fraction of the usual cost, you've come to the right place. In my 25 years of practice, the one thing that always bothered me is the time a divorce takes and the associated costs. I realized that couples have so many unforeseen expenses during a divorce: moving costs, rental deposits, and many others. The additional legal fees just aggravates the financial stress even more. I've always been convinced that there must be a way to make divorces more affordable, but I just didn't know how. I thought about it for a long time and looked for a solution, but couldn't find anything that solved the problem. Eventually, I decided to do something about it myself, and that's where Divorce Pros was born. The idea behind it is to use technology to automate as much of the process as possible. Because we now spend less time on admin and emails, we are able to pass the associated savings on to you. We also kept it very simple. You just create an online account, submit the necessary information, and the platform does the rest. In fact, it's so effective you can complete all the paperwork in as little as 45 minutes. But before I tell you more, there's a very important condition to be able to use our service. You and your spouse must agree on the division of assets, the residence of your children, and any maintenance payable before we can help you. I appreciate that this may sound difficult, but the one thing I learned over the years is that long and ugly divorce battles have no winners. It will take a huge emotional and perhaps even physical toll on you. Putting the emotions aside for a few hours to work things out with your spouse will save you a lot of time, stress, and money. If you want to know more about how it all works and the fantastic benefits we offer, please have a look at the videos in the Lite and comprehensive sections below. Thanks for watching, and I sincerely hope that we will be able to help you.